look at this setting though. Look at this. Ladies, life is great. Life is great. Right? Life is great when your Serviette is Bvlgari. Hi, how are you doing? So, a sales associate I know from Gucci is now working at Bvlgari, and she invited me over for a high tea, and I thought, ooh, I need to take you guys along with me. I never shop at Bvlgari because I don't wear enough high jewelry or have any occasions to wear that kind of jewelry to invest in one year. Plus, I also don't earn that kind of scratch. I'm self-employed, I'm not a rich housewife. I spend more time in front of computer screens than shopping malls. And also, this may come as a surprise. I actually don't know how to appreciate diamonds. I love gold, but not diamond yet. Lucky for my husband, lucky man. Oh, so back to the sales associate I know from Gucci that's currently at Bvlgari. Emma, that's her name. She wanted to invite me over for high tea, introduce me to the brand and manager, and I'm like, well, I suppose I can pop by for a quick high tea. Let me check my schedule. So, last week we were at Dior Oakland right here, and this week I want to take you guys to Bvlgari because Emma is treating us some high tea and I want to invite you guys along with me. So, let's go. It's gonna be fun.
And enjoy
Hi,
it.
welcome. You look great. Oh my god, it's beautiful here. I have never been here before.
You've never?
No.
Oh my goodness. Have a look around.
Hi. And look, I got the most uncomfortable shoes. And this thing keep falling off. But love it here. All the marbles and all that. And that's Andrew. What are we buying today?
All of it.
All of it.
All of it.
We're buying all of it, okay? The iconic B0. Like, we got engaged before Bvlgari was in New Zealand. I thought these were really good options.
Of course, yeah.
Because they are different and it's not boring.
Yeah.
So I do love them. But
Yeah, me too.
oh my god, all the B0 relations and all the silver as well. That's beautiful.
There's more over here.
Okay, while I'm there, I might as well check up some watches because Bvlgari do have some cool watches, like the ones with the snake serpent T design. You know what I mean? Like this one. I do like those. They look cool and it's a shape and design that I haven't seen elsewhere from other brands. At least they are functional. You know what I mean? Especially when my iPhone is dead and I can't tell what time is it. What time are we supposed to be at the next meeting? Back to the Bvlgari store. We are seeing watches. And if things goes well, I will pass this down to our son or daughter. Can we pass it down to son? Okay, yeah. Yeah. Let's not be so old school, shall we? Okay.
So that's Lucia. The ones with diamonds. A little bit lower statement.
Okay, gotta stop right there because not my kind of watches. Sorry. These are my favorite. Andrew, these are my favorite. Andrew.
Are these your favorite? Are you trying to tell me something? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to? If only I could figure out.
Andrew.
Anyone?
Just in case it's not clear.
Yeah.
Yeah. These This is good. And then this is good. Gold.
18 karat gold.
18 karat.
Only 18. Come on. Only
And
18.
then here is a more like collectibles. This is something to pass down to little Curtis, a little little children Curtis kind of thing, you know. So these are great. These are great investment pieces. Like Andrew. What do you think? Too simple? How much is this? But look at the detail though. Look at these detail like this.
I believe it should be 40.
That is 40.
40.
And this is 18 karat gold. Look at the detail. This is what you call investment. But buy a house first as well.
That could be doubled in a year or two.
Did you hear that?
See how it's beautifully sitting?
Oh yes. And this is, what's the pricing for this one? I love this.
That one?
It's called.
That one is 17,050.
Oh. Andrew, this is 1750 bargain. This is so cheap. This is 17. Chanel bag is cheap. This is even more expensive. But this is very affordable. This is so. Yeah.
Okay, stop moving, then we get a photo. There we go, that's cool.
This is beautiful, right? I like it. Okay, it's a good entry level investment. Yeah. Before you go for like a full gold, or if you love diamond, then that's your next thing. But this is a good starting piece to see if you like the style and then how you like to wear it with your everyday style, your clothes, and your lifestyle, things like that. You know. Oh, by the way, when I say great investment pieces, that is a code for it looks great. I want it.
Look at the movement.
Ooh,
It's not
like the real snakes. Look at the movement.
Ah,
How much is this?
I believe it's between 700 to 800.
Aucklander, this is your entry level house right here, sitting on my arm.
Stunning, right?
Stunning.
To try it.
What do you think? Yeah?
Look at that.
Is it cool? Should I bring it? Okay. Are we buying a house or are we buying this? Look at this setting though. Look at this. Ladies, life is great. Life is great. Right? Life is great when your Serviette is Bvlgari. How's the background?
I need a bib.
You need a bib?
But it's good.
Do you want a Bvlgari bib?
Mmm.
Okay. That is cookies and cream. That one. Oh, I touched it. I gotta have it now.
Yeah, you gotta have it.
Okay. I'll eat it. Oh no.
We're not having dinner tonight anyway, right?
We're not having dinner. I'm like. Okay, it's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Right?
But how messy. Look.
I'm gonna pack some of them for you. Hang on.
Oh my god, Emma! Emma is a feeder.
Good job. You enjoy your little
So sweet. This is okay. But oh my god, it's so spoiled.
Aw, beautiful.
But honestly, I didn't expect it.
Aw, of course. I want to surprise you a little bit.
Oh.
You know, with a little thing.
Thank you
lovely
so
to see
much.
you. Thank you
We
so
even
much
have-
for coming.
Thank you. Like,
Of course.
even takeaways.
Of course. Enjoy the sweets.
So we just left Bvlgari. Look at how sweet is Emma. Oh my god. And look at this. Oh my god. Lots of exercise next week. But hey, I want to quickly pop by COS because I want to get some jackets and a few nice things and some new colors to add into my boring monotone wardrobe. So let's go before I head home and show you what other things I got. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. How cute is this? Look at this, guys. If you want a good boucle clutch, like very Instagrammable boucle clutch, this can be the one. Morning, guys. So let's unbox these together. I want to show you. Oh gosh, it's heavy. What I got from Bvlgari yesterday, as well as COS. First of all, we got a letter with my name on. Dear Aki, thank you for being part of our special day. Oh, thank you for being part of my day. That was so special, so fun. Got a champagne. That's so cute. And also, oh, this is heavy. It's so pretty. Ooh. Oh la la. Oh wow. Oh, I need this. I do need that. Oh my gosh. This is a really good coffee table book. I'm gonna have fun reading this. Cool. Oh my god, thank you so much, Emma. I'm so spoiled. I'm so spoiled. I can't wait to read this over a cup of coffee and some macarons. Let me put this away because I want to also show you what I got from COS. Got a ta-da! I thought this color would look good on me. I have a lot of black coats, I have a lot of brown coats, but I never have anything as bright as this. And I thought, yeah, I know we're going into winter, but doesn't mean that I need to wear something like sad and depressing, you know what I mean? And next, oh, ta-ta! This is so cute. This is so cute and so soft, so fluffy. When I travel again, this will be my travel pillow. So yeah, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, should I get the Bvlgari watch? That one with the swirl. Should I get it? Also, do you collect watches? Do you collect them as accessories or do you see them as investments? I have so many questions about this world of watches and I really want to do more research before buying my first one. If you have any tips and tricks, advice, suggestions, leave me a comment and I will love you so much. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, press that bell button so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Have a lovely day. Hopefully, I will see you on my next video. Ciao.